Hey y'all, thanks for joining me and my cat. Today we're going to be unboxing a couple of Hobbii Lucky bags of yarn, and I'm excited to see what's in them. Before we get started, I'm Holly. This is my channel at Yarns Lane, so welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time. Here I talk about knitting and crocheting and crafting and basically all the things that I'm into, which doesn't include cats, but they're here with us. If that's something you're into, please consider subscribing. You'll receive notifications when I post something new. So let's get into it. This is the package that I received from Hobbii. It's a little noisy. Hobbie's a Denmark-based yarn company. If you're not familiar with them, I've ordered yarn from them before, and it's absolutely beautiful every time. It's good quality. They carry a large variety of yarns and lots of fibers and lots of accessories. The website's really pretty and very exciting, and it seems like a really fun company. They actually have a bingo game on their app that I played for the first time this week, and it was live with some folks that work there. So you really get a chance to see. There's extra entertainment here today. So you got a chance to see kind of what those folks are about, which was nice. This package contains 2 Hobbii grab bags worth of yarn that they call Lucky Bags. They have a bunch of different ones on their website, so depending on what fibers you like, or what type of yarn, they have cakes and sock yarn listed, but they also have wool or acrylic or cotton, and all of them are a little different price points, and they're all a little different amounts as to how much yarn you get in the actual bag. So what I purchased was I went with acrylic, which is, it's an 18-ounce, 2 18-ounce bags, because I get 2. Each is 18 ounces or 500 grams. And they normally retail for $17 per bag, but there's a sale right now, so I got them for $14.40 a bag, and I'm in the US, so it's US dollars. I hope they're different because I'm excited to try a bunch of different yarns, but they may be 2 of the same, so we'll see together. We'll find out. Shipping was free. I will add that, but that's because I purchased some other yarn with this. So I did hit the minimum for free shipping, but shipping starts at $9.99. Okay, I think that's it. All right, let's get to it. Find a pair of scissors. There's not like an easy open, so I am going to use a pair of scissors. I'm sorry, I know this bag is very noisy. Okay, they're packaged separately. So Lucky Bag 1, and it doesn't say anything on it. It's just says Hobbii. And again, no access point. So, and my scissors are failing. There we go. Ooh, okay. So it looks like 3 colors of We Heart yarn, everyday acrylic. Bring that a little closer. And it looks like a chocolate brown. Let me see what it's called. Color 5. So color 5 is this chocolatey brown. And then the one I just showed you is color 6, which is like not, maybe it's a black. Is that black or is that a dark brown? I can't really tell. And then like a vibrant, almost pinky red, which is color 21. So it's 5 total. 5 total in colors that can be used together, which I really appreciate. And let's see, from the same lot, which I also appreciate. So this is 100% acrylic. Use needles 10.5 US or 6.5 millimeter. And yeah, not much else in for there. 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, which is about 147 yards. So yeah, that's about right. So this is the We Love yarn. I imagine that this is similar to, just looking at it, it reminds me of like a Vanish Choice type yarn. So like a casual or classic everyday acrylic. So that actually looks pretty good. Alright, let's see what's in number 2. Oh, it looks like it's going to be more of the same just based on the color. Dang, I was hoping to get 2 different ones. Alright, that's alright. I'm going to pop it open and see what we can make. It is. Okay. So this one has almost the same. The other one have 2 reds. This one has 1 red. And then 2 of oh, hold on. These 2 are different colors, and I almost missed it. I think you can tell now that I'm this close. This one is number 6, and this one is number 7. And then this is also a 7. And the one I had before was 6. So the same as this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. So 4 different colors total and 10 skeins total. You can see these are all just like, the chocolate one's really easy to spot. These look a lot, here, you can see like that, they look a lot alike. But up close you can see that there's a difference. This one's definitely got like a tinge of green to it, like a really, really deep green. So I'm gonna have to watch those labels so I don't mix them up on accident. Okay, so that's what I got. This is 5 skeins, same as the other one, for $14.40. So that's less than $3 a piece. I don't know the exact math. What do you think? Do you think this was worth $14.40? And would you be able to find something to make with these yarns? And what do you think I should make with them? Oh, I did get both different colors there. I just didn't notice it because they were so similar. Okay, hold on. Chocolates. Okay. So I'll put the info for this yarn on the screen for you, so you can see the more details about it. So, what would you make with these skeins of yarn? And do you think altogether, because I got 2 bags, it was $28.80. Do you think this was worth $28.80? You can comment below and let me know. Also, if you enjoyed watching me unbox, go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. You can give the video a like too. We are going to have a knit along starting in December, so I'd love for you guys to get notifications about that so you can join us. See you next time. Bye!